Amazon, I love y'all down. But lately, we can't get our stuff. My tripod for a wig stand. Okay. Oh! Okay, that's why they standing still. Look, can y'all see them? Okay, there they go. Happy 70th birthday, Auntie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed. I am. I am. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed. I am. Y'all, I'm so tired. And it's raining here and it's gloomy. I just got finished online for church service. I'm getting ready to go get me a shower and then I'll call y'all back. Yeah, I'm gonna call y'all back. All right, you guys, I am all showered and I decided that I don't want waves anymore. So I'm using my heatless rollers. I can never get them in right, but we're gonna just get it rolled up and then hurry up and put this bonnet on. And also welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. If you are a returning supporter, as always, thank you so much for the support. Today is a gloomy day, y'all, and I need some rest, so we probably won't get into too much today. I left my charger for my camera over my aunt's, over to her place, so I'll get that at some point. I do have some extra batteries with the charging pack that I can put them in and plug it up, so I should be okay. I'm just gonna check with her to make sure that she has it, and that way I'll get it eventually. But honey, we trying to keep these rollers in and we'll see how it turns out. Normally, because I haven't curled this hair, so normally when I don't curl it, I have to leave it rolled up for some time. Let me lift y'all up a little bit. Okay, I have to leave it rolled up for some time. So I'm not doing anything today. It's like very gloomy and raining. I just heard from my oldest daughter, and she said, along with my niece, that they're still without power as well. So depending on what we get into, they may come by and visit. I'm kind of tired. I just need a low-key day, to be honest. However, I always got time for my babies. But I just wanted to check back in. It's after 12 o'clock at this point, so it's time for me to eat. I did bring me some barbecue. My cousin got on that grill and did what she did it to do. So I'm gonna have that today and just see what mom is up to. And I always have a piece of hair falling from somewhere. And then see what the fam bam wants to do today, if anything. Hopefully nothing. We'll probably just watch movies and, you know, spend some time with one another. But anyway, let me get this bonnet put on my head and I'll call y'all back when probably when I go and eat. All right, y'all, it is some time later. I ate lunch, dinner, whatever you want to call it. It's 4 o'clock, and I just tidied up a little bit, and I'm chilling, right? So I decide to go on TikTok. Now, I just told y'all that Joy Rhodes, I have her in heavy rotation. How about I just scroll on TikTok and they talking about it's not a real person that's singing one of her songs. Did y'all know that? Look. Oh my God. I did not know that. I need to look that up. Hold on. We got to do a little investigation real quick. And then I missed the FaceTime, but I gotta look this up. Did y'all know that? Why y'all didn't tell me? Is this true? Because you know, I be telling y'all about these internet streets. Hold on. I'm trying to look it up. Have anybody seen her in person? Have anybody seen Joy Rhodes sing live in person? Let me know in the comments, because I need to know. Is she really singing these songs? Or what are we doing? Because I'm trying to figure it out. I'm just reading a post. Hold on, let me see what it say. Yeah, see, somebody just wrote they fell in love with an artist called Joy Rhodes, then found out she is freaking AI. Oh my God. Oh my God. OMG. We can't do that. Wow. Somebody said a lot of people don't like the idea of AI artists, but what's the difference between that and the artist who uses auto-tune and can't even sing? Oh, but no. We can't do AI. Oh my God. I don't know. Let me know y'all thoughts on this, because not AI. Wow. Anyway, let me I rebuke AI in the name of Jesus. And if she AI, baby, she got to go. That's all to it. Somebody seen her sing live? She really singing these songs and sound like this? I'm serious. I need to know. I need to know.
I don't know who needs to hear this.
I need to know. I gotta go. I'll call y'all back.
It's ready, honey. Here are the nails. Y'all, I love them. For my bridal nails, and they ate that, okay?
chance I am. Blessed with another chance I am. Blessed with another chance I am.